your fighter.
Yo! We finally got the Mavic Mini. Super happy with it. So, I don't have a flip knife, so this is what we're gonna be using. I'm not too worried about it. I can't, bro, no, I'm sorry. I'm too hype. I'm just gonna get right into this. Oh, I did that in the worst way possible. It's not even satisfying. But, okay, so to specify, no, we didn't really get the Fly More combo. I wasn't too worried about it because the idea is I'm gonna take this one back. And the only reason being is because, I thought, well, if I screw up the return process, and by screw up I mean, what if I break this drone? Because this is my first ever drone, so if I manage to mess this one up, I'm not an extra $100 down the drain if I try and return it, you feel me? So, we didn't go for the Fly More combo, but if nothing wrong happens, I'm gonna go return it, order the Fly More combo. Apparently this is the top of the box. I can't stress this number enough. Everyone's heard this number for every single video you've ever watched. I know that for a fact. I'm not even gonna describe it. If you don't know what it is, I'll link like 10 videos to a different Mavic Mini video, basically saying why this number is important. Basically, I don't need a pilot's license, but I do need to register the drone. I can fly basically anywhere, except, you know, some regular drone laws apply. Anyway, let's get back into the unboxing. Okay, so right off the bat, that was kind of dumb. Oh my goodness, is this thing small? It's absolutely beautiful. Like, it's everything like I anticipated it would be. Yeah. You know what the funny thing is? When you... Wow, those are so flexible. How does this fly? Yo, goodness gracious, that's actually scary. That's actually scary. And people like put them in their pockets to demonstrate that they're so small that they fit in there. These are so flexible. And then I'm flicking away at them. Jesus. Alright, so we're just gonna take the... Oh, look what I did. It's not too big a deal, I'm not too worried. Comes right up. Whatever. Bang. Alrighty, moving on to the remote. I mean, it's simple enough. I mean, you've seen... Oh, wow, that's actually... That is heavier than the drone. Dead serious, that is actually heavier than the drone. Oh, oops. Oops. Wait, what? There's no way that's how it goes. There's no way that's how it goes. Is that actually how the antennas go? There's no way. They're like inversed. One has an indentation here and one's flat. What? Alright, I guess I just pull out. Haha. Funny jokes. Alright, and then our thumbsticks hidden right here down the side. Yo, you know how satisfying it is to like be part of the process that like actually does this stuff? Like being able to take out the thumbsticks, like you see them being screwed on in other videos and you're just like, bro, I want to do that too. Oh man, I'm actually really nervous. Okay, so these, goodness gracious, these are so smooth. They just glide. Oh, okay. I kind of don't want to take any stickers off. Nah, we're going to leave them on. Alright, has basically no battery. Okay, these are extra thumbsticks, clearly. Not too worried about those. Okay, this is the screwdriver for the extra propellers. Okay, extra propellers. Are they called propeller or are they called wings? And here are the screws for the propellers. I'm not even going to take them out because, as I said, I'm returning them. I kind of don't want any issues with it, but... And of course, one last thing, you know, you have the protective cover for the camera on the gimbal. It's so easy. I've seen it happen multiple times. It's literally, you pull right here and you can take it off in one quick swoop. But if it does get stuck, you just pull up. But, you know, I didn't need to do that because experience, do you feel me? There we go. There we go.
Alright, hey, what's up guys? Really quick, just wanted to mention that this is untouched, unedited video. I didn't want to leave that in the corner because it would have distracted from it, but it's in 2.7K at 30 FPS, which is the max res that the Mini shoots at.